Good afternoon. This is Clayton Oswald with Pioneer Scale Company. We hope this message finds you doing well. At Pioneer Scale, we understand the important role that intrinsically safe equipment plays in the production of volatile chemical compounds. With over 40 years in the legal metrology industry, Pioneer Scale has a wealth of knowledge to help you navigate the purchase, the installation, and the calibration and maintenance of your weighing equipment. Our technicians, sales staff, and management team have more than 2 centuries of combined experience in the scale business. Due to the recent outbreak and spread of COVID-19, we understand that this is an unprecedented time, and no one is confident of what the future may hold. But here at Pioneer Scale, we believe and understand the importance of having safe, professional, and adaptable skills to help ensure your success. With the imminent production needs to supply hand sanitizer across the nation, it is important to remember the batching and blending processes using alcohol products will require the use and implementation of intrinsically safe weighing systems. Pioneer Scale is here to help facilitate that need. Intrinsically safe environments must be protected from any electrical transient or heat source that could potentially result in an ignition. This can be achieved in different ways. One of the simplest is to eliminate the use of AC voltage entirely and operate the scale via an intrinsically safe digital weight indicator with an IS rechargeable battery pack. In the case of equipment that is utilized in multiple locations or must be moved for housekeeping purposes, this may be the only way to achieve the desired production. A second method of protection would use an intrinsically safe indicator with an intrinsically safe AC power supply. This allows the weight indicator to still be at the scale and visible to the operator while still providing the necessary safeguards. A third means of achieving intrinsically safe weighing equipment is via the use of Zener barrier systems. Zener barrier systems use special diodes and fuses in conjunction with the proper grounding to prevent a dangerous transient from moving from a standard digital weight indicator in a non-hazardous area into the hazardous environment. It also prevents the voltage at the scale from falling to a point where the internal circuitry might begin to heat up and provide another potential source of auto ignition. Based upon these 3 methods, we at Pioneer Scale believe that we can help you maintain success in your professional industry in spite of all these difficult times. Thank you for your time today.